Hello lovely viewers. So today we are at my mom's and look who we have stumbled upon, these adorable cute little puppies. In the heart of winter in Ladakh, they were feeling very cold and seems hungry also. And guess what? Gigi insisted on feeding them, and witnessing her kindness made my heart swell with the pride. And yeah, it was truly a proud moment for me. Cute. Cute. Don't. Don't puppy. And our next stop is our frozen wonderland. Jiten, where's Muddy Puddles? This is not Muddy Puddles. As you can see, the garden is fully transformed into ice, and Gigi couldn't be more thrilled. She saw the ice and was shouting, Muddy Puddles. Where's Muddy Puddles? And even with a few tumbles, her joy was unstoppable. Peppa loves Muddy Puddles. Look at Mama. Muddy Puddles. So there you have it guys, a day in the life of our little one. Street puppies, icy adventure, and the purest moment of compassion. It's moments like these that make motherhood an incredible journey, I guess. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into our day, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share the joy with your friends. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye for now, and take care and stay warm. Muddy Puddles, what? Come to Mama. It's okay. It's okay. Isn't it? Look at Mama. It's okay. Now let's go inside. Ouch! I fell. Gigi fell. Get up. I fell.